Good morning, class 2. Children, we are still doing more about paint, and today I'll be starting from page number 75. So in the previous period we have seen, in the previous video we have seen how to use magnifier. Now we shall see how we can use eraser. The use of eraser is simple, just like we use eraser in our day-to-day life. Same way we can use eraser in our drawings in the computer also. To erase any part of your drawing in paint, follow the given steps. Click eraser in the tools group on the ribbon. Click that part of the drawing you want to erase and move the eraser. Drag to clear that part of the drawing. Okay, so simply you just have to click on the tool and then you can do the erasing part. And one more thing which is not told here, we can have eraser of many sizes, small, then bigger, then much bigger than that, and of shape also, circular eraser, rectangular eraser, that way. Now opening a drawing. Whenever you want to draw a new picture, you need a new drawing area in paint. Follow the given steps to open a new drawing area. Click the paint button, a menu appears. Click the new option. Your new drawing area in paint is ready to use. Very simple, you just have to click on the paint button. Then a menu will appear. Click the new option and you will get a new drawing area for you to draw. Here you can see, okay, new, and then you can open it. Fine. Saving your drawing, just like we save other files in other applications, same way we can save here as well. To store the drawing that you have made in your computer is called saving. To save a file in paint, follow the given steps. We will click on the office button and then we can paint button and then we can click on save. Okay, and when we will click on save, it will ask for a new name in its dialog box. A new window called dialog box appears. Now type the name that you want to give to your work in the file name box. Here you will give the name and then you can click on the save option. You can decide where you want to save the paint file of yours and then you can give the name. So this way it will be saved. Now click the save button. You have saved your work in a file in the computer. Okay, so now click the save button and your work will be saved. And quick step is that you can save any file by Ctrl+S. You have studied this command earlier also, this keyboard combination. Now opening a saved drawing. Let us now learn how to open a saved paint file. Follow the given steps to open a saved work or file. How you can open, just like you can open other files. Click the paint button. You will click on the paint button. Click the open option. On clicking the open dialog box, you can select the file and then you can click the open button. You can choose the file which you want to open and then you can click the open button. And then now closing paint. To close paint, follow the given steps. Again you will click on the paint button and then you can click on simply exit button. Okay, and if your work is not saved, it will ask for you to save your work. It will ask for your permission. If you want to save, you can save. If you don't want to save, you can avoid it, but it will ask on its own. Now paint program can be closed by clicking on the close button at the top right corner of the paint window. We always have a close button in which cross is there in all our applications, so we can close even a paint program by that button. Okay. Now today we have completed this chapter. You will be reading this also, quick recap and words to remember. Fine. And we'll be doing the question answers and other exercises in the next period. Bye bye. Take care.